Hi, babes. Oh no. I just got coffee. I'm just gonna make this vlog because, like, I'm bored and I feel like if anybody even feels like watching me just hang out, like, then let's do it, because I feel like the coronavirus is like he who must not be named. Like, I don't even want to say it because I feel like everyone's gonna panic. But I don't have it. I have a cold, so I'm more susceptible to it. So I'm trying to, like, be super healthy and, like, stay away from people, which I realize all I like to do on the weekends is go shopping or, like, even grocery shopping. But I went and got coffee at my favorite coffee place in Lexington. It's called The Human Bean, and it's so cute. And I'm trying to open this lid so that I can put my inulin in it without making a mess. Okay, see? Inulin to go. Oh, and I'm making a big mess. Great. I hate wasting inulin. Putting some of that in there, but this Human Bean place is so cute. It's just this, like, little drive-through. And, like, all the girls that work there are so cute. Like, I have girl crushes on all of them. And, like, I'm not, like, dolled up yet or anything. I'm fake tan up to my face, and then I've got, like, eye patches on. The Arbonne ones, because I'm gonna get dolled up and, like, film some other stuff. Oh, and they give you, like, these little cute little chocolate covered espresso beans, but it's like white chocolate with, like, speckled dark chocolate. I don't know. So I'm gonna go home and just hang out by myself because my sweet loving fiance was taking our laundry to his parents' house to clean it, because the laundry room in our apartment building, someone has, like, ripped the doorknob off, and we even took all of his tools down there, trying to, like, break the door open basically, but that was just not working. So we're locked out of our laundry room and we need clean laundry, so he's gonna go do that. He's been so sweet. I mean, he's always sweet, and, like, we just kind of, like, always do, like, ridiculous tasks for each other, but, like, where I've been, like, sick and he's really concerned about me being more susceptible, like, it's adorable. But he's just been, like, taking care of me so well, and because he had to run all these extra errands today, he couldn't bring me coffee, and I was being a brat about it, and I was like, bring me coffee. But anyways, yeah, just gonna go home, get dolled up. I fake tan because I was like, I feel like I've just been moping around because I'm like, I don't feel the best because of this cold, and it's just like I can't go anywhere, and I'm going kind of stir crazy, so I'm choosing to be productive today. So there we go. Everyone's really concerned about, like, toilet paper and everything, and I, like, stocked up on lemons. I was really concerned about running out of lemons. really not that hard, but it's really good. I might have to share the recipe because I tweaked it a little bit, and then of course Carter tweaked it because whenever I failed something, he's really good at the chef things. And then I am like, I mean guys, I really have this every day, I promise. Arbonne Fizz, and this is the rosé champagne, and it's my favorite. And I literally cold brew this Kuzmi tea and just like keep it in the fridge because I don't like ice, but I like it cold. Fun random facts about me. And seriously, like, it's delicious. Carter even loves them. Like, it's a great, like, they're like for energy, I guess. Like, they do have some caffeine. I just think they're delicious, and I love the amount of vitamins in it. Like, so many vitamins, and it's delicious. No crappy fillers or anything. Vegan. And I'm gonna like I'll leave my Arbonne site linked down below so that like you guys can check it out, because I get a lot of questions about it. And like I think it freaks everyone out that it seems like it's expensive, but really if you break it down, if you like, it's 30 sticks and it's like less than $2, and then there's like different like levels. So like if you're just buying off the site, like it's $55 I think, which I don't know if you like break it down to like how much each drink is, it might be like around $2, it might be over $2. But if you become a preferred client, like if you plan on like buying a bunch of stuff, it's $44, and like at that point it's like $2 for each drink. But this like is just packed with vitamin, like it's not just like a fun little drink, and it doesn't have any like crap in it or anything, but I love it. I drink it every day. And if you're curious, like I'll leave it down below, and then you can like look at, you can do your own research and everything. Like it's got Arbonne has like meet the product or whatever for each thing, and you can read all about it if you want. But these are super delicious. It's like it's great to get your vitamins in. It like if you're trying to kick a soda habit, it fizzes up, which is why they're called fizz sticks. Fun fact. But it's just like helps you stay hydrated too, because you can put it in water. You don't have to do the tea thing. I just think it adds a little flair. Use this heart straw I got because why not? Also, I love this sweater. It was like $20 on H&M because my favorite blogger, Emily Gemma, had it. And I'm normally not like a turtleneck wearing person because I hate things around my neck. But like it's just so beautiful. How could I not own this? Like, are you kidding me? Anyways, I got it in an extra small, I think, because I wanted it to be more tight, and then not that you can even